In today's tutorial, we're excited to introduce Corjl's Tag Manager, a powerful feature that makes it easier to organize and manage your tags more efficiently. To access the Tag Manager, click the arrow in the top right corner of the platform where your account settings are located. Navigate to the Preferences section. Select Category Management. Now this is important. Make sure the tag feature is enabled for Tag Manager to work properly. You can check this within the Category Management section. Once the feature is turned on, select the Tag Manager tab. Inside the Tag Manager, you'll find all of your tags for designs, fonts, images, and listings. You can easily sort these tags by most recently added or alphabetically to keep everything organized. The Tag Manager allows you to rename a tag, merge multiple tags, and delete tags in bulk. Here's how. To rename a tag, select a single tag. The Rename option will appear. Click it and update the tag name as needed. Merging tags. If you select more than one tag, the Merge option will become available. Select all the tags you want to combine and click Merge. You'll be prompted to enter a new name for that merged tag. Once confirmed, all the selected tags will merge into one single tag. Pro tip. This is perfect for cleaning up duplicate tags, fixing spelling errors, or consolidating similar named tags. Deleting tags in bulk. To delete multiple tags at once, simply select the tags you want to remove. Click Delete to clean up your tag list and eliminate any unnecessary tags. This tool will help speed up your process when designing, adding assets, or creating listings. You can stay organized and build your workflow around what works for you. If you have any questions about the current Tag Manager, let us know at support@corjl.com. Catch you next time.